Good morning, dear children. Welcome to the math session. So already we have learned 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 and 1.4. I have solved the exercise questions. Then today I am going to start the exercise number. The topic name is playing with numbers. Exercise 1.4. Okay. So what is the question number 1? The question number 1 is without actual division. First name. Without actual division. Without actual division, using divisibility, rules, classify the following numbers. Classify the following numbers as divisible by divisible by 3, 4, 5 and 11. So he has given 4 numbers. The numbers are 3, 4, 5 and 11. The questions are, first one, so right here the questions. Take note 3. How to do this? Okay. Take note 3. Number 2. 875. Number 3. 474. 583, 1067, 1067, then 350. Next one, 657. So still numbers are there. First, we'll check out these numbers. So first thing, the number is 3, 4, 5, and final number is 11. So let us check whether the given numbers are divisible by 3, 4, 5 or 11. First we will take the 3 to the 8 row. First one, what we will do? 8 plus 0 plus 3 is equal to what? 11. 8 plus 0 plus 3 is equal to 11. So this number is not divisible by 3 because the addition of the 3 numbers is what? 11. Next, 8 plus 7 plus 5. So 8 plus 7, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 4, 14. Correct? 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 5, 20. The number 20 is not there in table number 3. So this is also not divisible by 3. Understanding? Okay. Next one. 4 plus 7 plus 4. 4 plus 7, how much? 11. 11 plus 4 is 15. Correct? 4 plus 7, 11. 11 plus 4, 15. So this is divisible by 3. Understanding, children? Okay. Next number. 5 plus 8 plus 3. Correct? 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. This is not divisible by 3. Correct? Next number. 1 plus 0 plus 6 plus 7. Add them. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 7. The answer is what? 14. Correct? The answer is 14. This is also not divisible by 3. The last one more number is there. 350. How to do? 3 plus 5 plus 0. The total addition is 8. So this is not divisible by 3. And finally 6, 5, 7 is there. 6 plus 5 plus 7. So 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 plus 7, 18. So 18 is there. 3 6 are 18. This number is divisible by 3. Understanding, children? Just add the digits. If we get the multiple of 3, so those numbers are divisible by 3 only. For example, 15 means we have added 4, 7, 4. So what is the answer? 15. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15. So 3 fives are 15 is there. That's why this number is completely divisible by 3. So next, last number. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 7, 18. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18. Understood now? Okay, I'll go to the next one. So how to do this? What I told you, 800 plus 0 plus 3. In table number 4, 800 is there, but there is no 3. That's why this number is not divisible by 4. Next, 800 plus 70 plus 5. Just extend it. 875. 800 plus 70 plus 5. So 800 is there in table number 4, but 70 is not there, 5 is not there. That's why this is not divisible by 4. Clear that? Okay, next. 400 plus 70 plus 4. Correct? Okay. So in 400, multiple of 400, so multiple of 4. 70 is not a multiple of 4. 4 is there. So completely is not divisible by 4. But 70 is now not there. Here 70 and 5 not there. Here 0 and 3 not there in table number 4. That's why these three numbers are not divisible by 4. Let us check question number 4. 500 plus 80 plus 3. So 500 is not there in table number 4. D is also not there. 80 is there, but only one number. If it is only one number divisible by 4, so total number not divisible by 4. Because of all three numbers should be divisible. Understand? Then only we will say the total number is divisible by 4. Understood? Okay, next question. 1000 plus 0 plus 60 plus 7. 1067. So 1000 is divisible, but 0 is not divisible. 60 is not divisible by 4, and 7 is also not divisible by 4. The total term is not divisible by 4. Cleared up? Okay, come to the last one. 300 plus 50 plus 0. All three numbers 350 zeros. The total number is not divisible by 4. These are the basic rules of a divisibility test of 4. Next, 600 plus 50 plus 7. So in table number 4, 600 is not there, 50 is also not there, 7 is also not there. The total given numbers are not divisible by 4. So let us go to the third one. Okay, let us check third one. Okay, what is the divisibility of 5? The last number should be 0 or 5. But what is the last number here? The last number is 503. Understand? In table number 5, 3 is not there, so this is not divisible by 5. Here, 875. What is the last digit? 5. So this is divisible by 5. Next, 474. What is the last digit? 4. That's why it is not divisible by quarter. It is not divisible by 4. Next, 583. What is the last digit? 3. So this is not divisible by 5. The last digit should be 0 or 5. Next, 1067. What is the last digit? 7. This is not divisible by 5. Next, 350. 350. So last digit is what? What is the last digit? 0. So this is divisible by 5. So let us check the last one. 657. 657. What is the last digit? Last digit is 7. So this is not divisible by 5. Clear, children? So this is the divisibility test of 5. Next come to the 11. So what I said, 8 minus 0 plus 3. So next, 8 plus 3 is 11. So this number is divisible by 11. So basically I told you while what was that? Taking the divisibility test, we have learned the each rule of each number. Correct? So 11 number is what? We have to take the number in alternate sign. Correct? So alternate sign is what? 8 minus 0 plus 3. So 0 leave it, 8 plus 3 means what? 11. Whether we should get after taking the alternate sign, we should get 0 or 11. So 11 is what? Multiple of 11. That's why 803 is divisible by what? 11. Next number. 875 is there. 8 minus 7 plus 5. Correct? Next one. 8 plus 5 is how much? 13 minus 7. So what we get the answer? 13 minus 1 means what? 6. So this is not divisible by 11. Next number, 474. 4 minus 7 plus 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 minus 7 is 1. So this is also not divisible by 11. Next, 583. 5 minus 8 plus 3. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 minus 8, 0. This number is divisible by 11. After taking the multiple sign is alternate sign, minus and plus. 5 plus 3, 8. Minus 8 as this, the answer is 0. Next, 1067 is there. 1 minus 0 plus 6 minus 7. 1 minus 0 plus 6 minus 7. Okay, 1 plus 6, 7. minus 7. The answer is 0. This is divisible by 11. Next, 350. 3 minus 5 plus 0. 3 minus 5 is how much? Minus 2. So this is not divisible by what? 11. So finally we go to the last number. The last number is what? 6 minus 5 plus 7. 6 minus 5 plus 7. Let us check. Okay. 6 as it is, otherwise add. 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 minus 5 is how much? 8. So this is not divisible by 11. Understood, children? This is the totally first main. So totally 11 numbers are there. Out of them I have selected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. After copying this, I will use remaining numbers. You people just try. Otherwise, give me a call. I will solve your doubt. Shall I give the homework questions, sir? Okay. The same procedure I will do. The numbers are so up to 657, 684, 2187, 4334, 1905, 2548. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. Check them. The same procedure. Understanding? Check the numbers. The same procedure. So for this number, so this is the palindrome. This is the palindrome. This is divisible by 11. Understanding? So this type of number is not there. That's why I am giving the hint. 4334 is divisible by 11. So you check the remaining numbers. Those numbers are divisible by which number? Clear? Okay. Thank you, dear children. In the next session, I will continue with question number 2, question number 3, question number 4, and question number 5. Understood? So if you have any queries and all, in the first session I have given my number. Call me and clear your doubts. Thank you, dear children. Have a nice day.